What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be chugging a new Sprite lemonade and celebrating 50 years of hip hop. Stop. It's lemon lime, strawberry, and lemonade flavored soda with other natural flavors. Sorry guys, I'll be back. If you're wondering why I'm laughing, it's because my dad. Okay, here we go. So, I think he just shot through my nose. Oh, I just burped like 1,000 times, but need a burp. Stop looking at me.
Nope.
Ew, I just got a piece of something in my mouth.
One, bro.
Well, I failed that challenge, but it's okay, guys. So, see you in the next one.